Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus Zenbook UX3405C. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus Zenbook UX3405C won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a malfunctioning power supply, a drained battery, or even internal hardware problems. If left unrepaired, it could lead to more significant issues, potentially resulting in data loss or complete device failure. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if required. Firstly, ensure you power off the device and disconnect it from any power source. Use your plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once inside, visually inspect the battery and the connections. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it's likely the culprit. To remove it, carefully unscrew any screws holding it in place, usually Phillips screws, and disconnect the battery cable. Be gentle while doing this to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the faulty battery, place the new one in position, reconnect the cable, and ensure it's secured with the screws. Once everything is in place, reattach the back cover by pressing down firmly until it clicks into position. Finally, connect your charger and attempt to power on the device. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly check your battery's health and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures, as this can affect battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.